नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। IND टुडे न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
जनूबी अफ्रीका के मुल्क बोत्सवाना में तिजारत के मौके के उन्वान से फटापसी में एक सेमिनार मुनक़िद किया गया, जिसमें हाई कमिश्नर बोत्सवाना मिस लेसिगो इथिल मुत्सोमी ने शुरुका को बोत्सवाना आने और मुख्तलिफ शोबेजात में तिजारत के मौके से आगाही हासिल करने और हिस्सेदार बनने की दावत दी। सदर फटापसी गौड़ा श्रीनिवास ने इस सेमिनार की सदारत की। जॉइंट डायरेक्टर आर कुलकर्णी भी मौजूद थे।
India provided us, they are motor magnets, some are in hotelier, some of them are just in trade, some of them run schools, some of them are doctors. And again, proudly to say to you, one of the Indians is a superintendent of our big hospital in the country. Dr. Sharma has been with us for years. And I still remember even during my time as Minister for Health, when he wanted to retire, I said to him, not now. I'm pleased that we still say to him, not now. And he is happy to stay there. We do also have, amongst the businesses in Botswana, banks from India, Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, State Bank of India, and others that are placed in Botswana and are doing business in Botswana. I think it is also important for me to mention that our country is a corruption-free country. Corruption is not tolerated in our country. We have made it a point that corruption, laws against corruption are in place, and that we do not allow hoarding and hoarding in a way of corruption. This has been noticed by international bodies that talk about corruption and non-corruption in countries. You know, we have made money. As I said earlier, we were one of the very poor countries right at the beginning. We got rich because after the British left the country, we discovered diamonds in the country. And I still remember amongst the literature that we have that the British wanted to come back. But we said to them, no thank you, you are not welcome. It was because of very strict and clear leadership in our country that we said, this is national resource, it's not for individuals. I am here because of the diamonds in my country. She is here because of the diamonds in our country. Some of our parents could not afford school fees. But because the country decided that diamond was a national resource, we have made our move and the position where we are because of the diamonds. We are now known as the upper middle income country. Let me also proudly tell you that the diamonds in my country are worn here by the Indian women. Indians go to Botswana to purchase diamonds, and a number of companies of Indian origin are in Botswana where they buy, they polish, and they make jewelry out of the diamonds. We're not only a diamond country, we are also a beef-producing country. Unlike here, we eat beef in Botswana, cow, not buffalo. And you know, in Botswana, when we say a man is rich, we determine that by the number of cattle that they have. And when you marry, in my country, it is the man that pays the bride price, not the women. And for any proud man, when they pay bride price, they bring cattle. When you bring money in your pocket, everybody laughs at you because they consider you to be a very poor man. And we accept cattle as bride price. What do we do with that, with the cattle that we have? We export our beef to the European Union, and this meat is the second, if not the third, revenue earner in our country. What is also interesting is as we continue to develop, while looking at the skins and hides, while looking at people who can come and tan, who can come and use leather to make leather goods. As she will be talking to you, she will mention how we intend to go about the skins and hides in Botswana.